For centuries, humans have looked up at the stars and wondered about the mysteries of the universe. But what if we could go one step further and actually live among the stars? What if we could build a sustainable colony on Mars, the red planet? Welcome to another episode of Next Horizon. In this episode, we will discuss what will it take to build a sustainable colony on the red planet? With the discovery of water and the possibility of microbial life, Mars has become a prime target for exploration and settlement. But what will it take to build a sustainable colony on the red planet? The first step will be establishing a base camp. NASA's Artemis program aims to send astronauts to the Moon by 2024 and then on to Mars. The plan is to use the Moon as a testing ground for technologies and practices that will be needed on Mars. One of the key resources needed on Mars is water. Water can be used for drinking, growing food, and producing rocket fuel. Recent discoveries suggest that water may be more abundant on Mars than previously thought, but it still needs to be extracted from the ground. Another challenge is growing food. Martian soil is not suitable for agriculture, so any crops will need to be grown in greenhouses. This will require a closed-loop system that recycles water, nutrients, and waste. To house the astronauts, habitats will need to be built. One possible solution is 3D printing. NASA has already tested a 3D printed habitat on Earth, and the technology could be used to build structures on Mars using local materials. But the ultimate goal is not just to survive on Mars but to thrive. This means being able to produce everything needed on the planet, including rocket fuel, oxygen, and building materials. To build a sustainable colony, a whole new infrastructure will need to be created. This will require a combination of science, engineering, and human ingenuity. Living on Mars will also have a profound impact on our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. It will be a new chapter in human history, a step towards a multi-planetary future. It won't be easy, but with determination and innovation, a sustainable colony on Mars is within our grasp. The dream of building a sustainable colony on the red planet is closer than ever before. Who knows what possibilities it may hold? So, what do you think? Let's have a discussion in the comment down below. Until then, we will see you next time.